Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you had a chance to check out our episode from last week where we made delicious creamy Cajun pasta. If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. Today we are going to be making broccoli cheddar rice casserole, which is going to be such a great side dish for all of your upcoming holiday parties. Now for today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients. Half a cup of onion chopped, 3 cups of fresh broccoli florets, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 cup of whole milk, 1 can of cheddar cheese soup, 1.5 cups of cooked white or jasmine rice, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, some salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, and 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a large skillet, heat a drizzle of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add your onion and cook until soft and translucent. Next, add your broccoli and keep cooking until they're nice and tender. Then add your garlic and cook until fragrant. It'll only take a minute or so. Stir in your milk, cheese soup, rice, and shredded cheese. Add your pepper and mix well. Taste it and add some salt if needed. You're going to keep cooking, stirring occasionally until everything is nice and hot. Once it's done, you're going to pour your hot broccoli mixture into an 8x8 baking dish, then set it aside. In a small bowl, you're going to combine your melted butter and your panko breadcrumbs. Mix well until everything is combined, then sprinkle it evenly over your broccoli. Then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your casserole in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the breadcrumbs are beautifully golden brown and your casserole is a little bit bubbly. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for a few minutes before serving. And with that, our broccoli cheddar rice casserole is done. The panko breadcrumbs on top got beautifully golden. They're gonna be a nice crunchy texture over the top. The broccoli is soft and tender, and it smells just so comforting, especially with that really cheesy rice mixture. This kind of reminds me of my childhood. We used to eat this a lot growing up, so hopefully you enjoy it too. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our broccoli cheddar rice casserole. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other great recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.